Hey everyone, welcome to What's in the Box. I'm Jared. On today's episode of What's in the Box, we're taking a look at Japan Candy Box. Japan Candy Box is candy from all over Japan, coming to you monthly, starting at just under $18 a month. That's pretty boss to get candy from across the Pacific. We've had a couple of these Japanese candy boxes, and they're always a treat and always surprising to see what is in there. Plus, you can get your very own free Japan candy box if you click the link below and enter the giveaway. Let's jump in and open a candy box. It's candy. It's from Japan. Japan Candy Box. Okay, Japan Candy Box. What do you have in store? It's purple. There's tissue paper. Oh, look at that, it's colorful, it's crazy. So first up, we have, these are popular in Japan. They're mix your own kind of, usually a gummy thing. You mix a powder and some water, stir it together, you add your flavoring, and you create little gummy goops. Looks like it, I don't read Japanese, so bear with me. This particular one looks like it has multiple flavors, like maybe it's a flavor change. Strawberry, soda maybe, and lemon lime. Looks like these are the flavor guys. Your little mixing tray and your stir spoon / eat thing. Yeah, it's like a fruit roll up maybe, but like liquid. I don't know if it's changing flavor as much as it is mixing flavors. It's not bad. It's a little messy for my taste, but this thing, crazy witch lady with nubbins, and this is Witch Mystery Gum. So this is gum, and it looks like by combining them you get different flavors, but if you mix all of them, the flavor goes away. Probably, I'm gonna mispronounce it, but it's umaibo. And they are like little corn. Nope, I lied. No, I thought this was like the puffed corn random flavor thing, but this is some sort of light, airy, crisp block. It's like sugar-coated outside over puffed cake, puffed air. It's very light. It's mostly like sugar. Like, I think it's probably like a caramelized sugar. If you took like a cheese puff, but didn't put the cheese on it, you just had the puff and wrapped it in sugar. And that's what this is. I like it. I don't know, I eat it all the time. Coffin of Skeleton. This looks like, I'm guessing, a sugar sweet skeleton candy that, like, you know, I like that it comes in a coffin. I'm gonna use this as like a dice box or something. Looks like they're in the shape of bones. It's a little, oh, it's a full skeleton. It's a full skeleton and bone. Obviously, this is their Halloween box. We're a little late getting it up to you guys because of the chaos that was October, November in California. So thank you, Japan Candy Box, for bearing with us and experiencing Halloween in December. Okay, so this is obviously the torso, and the head is connected to the torso. The pelvis is connected to the leg bone. Little skeleton, and I'm guessing it's your sweetheart base candy. Very subtle flavor change between the colors. But that's pretty rad because now I have a little coffin. I have a little cough. Coffin. Ha! Funny. Next. It has some sort of koala and a pumpkin. And it looks like, I don't know, but let's just open it and see what it is. Inside the box is a bag of things. All right, there's little koala faces on here. I like koalas. Okay, these are little cookies. Little cookies. Little koala cookies. Looks like they're filled with fudge. Yeah. Koala cookies. It's like a animal cracker cookie filled with chocolate. Can't go wrong with that. Like at all. Impossible. Tahato caramel corn. See, I can read caramel corn, so I don't even gotta guess. So these are probably corn puffs with caramel flavoring. Man, Japan's got good candy. They have all the best like Kit Kat flavors that we don't get here, like green tea and matcha. Yep, caramel. It's like caramel covered popcorn. but in curl puffed form. These are freaking delicious. Tahado caramel corn, you're my favorite. Just so you know, that's like only half the box. Okay, now we have, looks like Pocky, but it's not Pocky. Looks like it's sticks filled with chocolate. Oh yeah, exactly. These are like Pocky little things, but there's a nice chocolatey center. They're really delicious. I would maybe like some salt on this, like maybe more of a pretzel than a cookie, but can't go wrong with these guys. T-O-P-P-O, Topo, cookie sticks, delicious. This is probably the Umaibo, which is like a flavor stick. These are usually like corn puffed treats, but they taste like something completely different. It's basically a delivery device for flavor. I don't know what I don't know what this tastes like. I don't know if you can see from the facial expression, but the flavor you expect versus the flavor you get. Like this tastes spot on like a corn chowder or some sort of corn soup. I don't know how I do it. These are unbelievably delicious. If you can, get one of these in any flavor ever. Monster stamp. So these are candies where you can lick the end and then stamp. I'll show you. Japan's really all about interactivity with their candy. See, it's like a little pressed sugar thing, but then on the bottom there's a colored thing, and this looks like a pumpkin. So if I see, now I have a pumpkin. That's a pretty sweet tasting pumpkin. Ooh, it's a little tart. And each one of these are different icons. We have a ghost, a skull, more spooky ghost. Okay, so that was Japan Candy Box. Huge thank you to them for sending this our way for us to check out and share with you. Remember, check the link for the giveaway below to get your free Japan Candy Box sent right to you. This is a blast. I wish I had more Japanese candy. My favorites of this bag are probably these bad boys, just because they're delicious, they're light and fluffy, and I could eat them all day. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, check us out on our social medias. Stay tuned to the YouTube for more videos coming your way. Check out Japan Candy Box at the URL below. Do you have a favorite Japanese candy? Let me know, because this has opened my world to candy. This has been What's in the Box. I've been Jared. See you next time.